Welcome UniVerse customer. This video, YouTube video, is trying to demonstrate about how to use the SQL statement to insert, update, delete, and query the UniVerse file multi-value data using YouTube Toolkit or JDBC Client or Odbc Client. In this demo, I would like to use one UniVerse LIVESTOCK.F sample file. This sample file does not exist on UniVerse account by default, but you can run one UniVerse command called make.demo.files command. It will create everything for you. Or you can download the sample file from the web link in the YouTube comment field. So for this, first you need to get the sample file first, because all my example program is using this particular called LIVESTOCK.F file example. So they have several different ways to update the multi-value field. So one is you can run from UniVerse SQL or using the YouTube Toolkit UCI connection or JDBC or Odbc Client. But for Odbc Client, a little bit different. You need to update the dictionary file to see multi-value data. By default, it's not there. After you update it, you need to run hs.mn tool to update the cache file, or you can run the command called hs.update.fileinfo. So the dictionary item is very important, called select dictionary item. So in the dictionary, you might just add it like this, a dictionary select. Basically, just create a phrase, include all the field, include the multi-value field. So after that, you update the file info and hs.mn to create it. So sample file. So basically, the sample file like this, and they have one multi-value data called VAC.ASSOC field. So this sample is just because I want to choose this one, have a dot inside the file name and the column name. So the SQL statement is a little bit different by a standard node dot field. So here, just example, you can see when you have multi-value field, then the table, you include the one single value table called stack.f, also have a VAC.ASSOC. In the SQL, it can recognize the dot, but for Odbc it's different. Everything will convert to underscore. So you need to understand Odbc compliance. So here you can insert, update, and delete, and you can, after update it, you can query back. So I will show you each demo will be different. First, I'd like to show you is on the UniVerse SQL prompt. So on the UniVerse, you will see I already tested before, so all the statement you can see it. So first one, I like to, after I update the X select statement, so you can see it, the dictionary can CT, DICT, live stock.f, it's select. So let's just did LIVESTOCK.F. So that's important to see again. DICT and IVE STOCK VAC.OCK.F and select. So you will see I already updated. So for LIVESTOCK.F, so you will see the additional multi-value data in the select dictionary item. So after that, then you can select the statement like this one as a query. So you will see original multi-value data only 3 items. So after you query, then right now I can run the insert command. So you'll see the insert command I already there, so I don't need to type it. So let's just insert. So you will see the insert statement. So after it's inserts, it's not complete new record. It just update insert particular multi-value data. So after this, so I can query it again. So I can query the query, for example, like as 11. So you will see one additional data is created like this. So after this, I can update particularly multi-value data. So here's I can see the update command. Here's I can see update command is 9. So you can see that's 9. So I just update the particular record. Then I set up the VAC.CERT equal to XXX. So I've updated it. So we can go back to C again. So you will see I update the original existing record became this. So I update it, then I can delete this particular records. So the next, I like to delete it, a particular record. 9. So you see this record already deleted. So I can query it again. So you will see multi-value data is gone. So that's just how it works on the UniVerse SQL program to query, insert, update, delete. So you can do the same thing for next demo. I using one called YouTube Toolkit clients. This is using, they have provide 2 different connections. One is for a native connection. For this demo, I using the UCI connection. So after first one, I can make a connection first. Connect to, I put it in everything in the hs.sales account. So I can query first. So you'll see that got the 3 records. It's same thing, just on the UniVerse query. So I can insert particular to maintain. So it's just the same thing. I can insert on the toolkit. So I can insert it. So I can do the insert. So insert the record successful. But how can I know it's successful? So basically you can query it again. So you see an additional record it just created. So after I create it, I can update it. So I already updated it. So I update the records. So I can query again. So you see the data is updated. So after I update it, I can delete the particular multi-value data. It is deleted. We can verify it using the select statement. So data is back to the original data. So you can insert, update, delete using YouTube Toolkit. It's the same thing for JDBC client. So for the JDBC client, I already have program. So basically, this program very similar like a YouTube Toolkit client. So you will see I already have make a connection. So connect to AGS.sales account. So you will see the 3 records here. Then I can input this program is hard-coded and insert the same record. I just need to enter. So you will see the first records created. And next, you just enter. You will see the record is updated. And next, I will delete it. So you can see the same logic, and you can get all the source code from YouTube command field. The last demo will show you is the Odbc client. Odbc client is just a little bit different. So I will show you the Odbc client. So Odbc, the first, you can make a connection. The first, you will see select the original record like this. But if you look at the Sql statement, all the dot must be converted to underscore. So that's just the main difference for Odbc and JDBC. So next, I like to insert the Sql statement. The same thing, all the dot must be converted to underscore. So I insert the new record using the Odbc client. So next, I can verify it. So you see I insert the new records. So same thing, I can update it. So I update successful. So now I can check the output result. So you see the data has been changed. So last one, I will delete it. I will delete it. Then I can verify it. So the new create record is gone. So this the YouTube video just try to show you all different way to using the Sql statement to update, delete. So hopefully you can enjoy this video and also learn how to maintain UniVerse MultiValue data using the Sql statement.